Hey guys, it's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and we got a quick little how-to here on how to remove a door from a Whirlpool stove. What you want to do is you'll find the hinges and you'll find this door latch. You'll want to rotate the latch to the full range on both sides. And you can do this with like a flathead screwdriver or something to kind of pry it up. And then you'll rotate that door to a 45-degree angle where the door will reach end of travel at 45 degrees. Now once it reaches here, you just push slightly further and the hinge itself will come out of the base of the stove. So you do this on both sides. I'm using one hand. I would recommend using both hands, and then the door will pop right off. Super easy if you kind of know the tricks on how to do this, and then you'll just reverse those steps to get to reinstall. So for me, that's all I need. This is good for if you're doing like a deep clean, or for my instance, if you want to move the stove inside a rental unit and kind of have a little more room to move around the doors.